Hi, I'm Sarah, film and television editor, but I also have a side baking business called Lucky Treats. Boop, 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 boop. Since we've been going through this pandemic, one of my favorite things to do to cheer myself up is watch old episodes of The Golden Girls. And when I think of The Golden Girls, I think of cheesecake and Florida. So today, I'm gonna make a key lime cheesecake. Who doesn't love key lime pie? And who doesn't love cheesecake? And let's be real, who doesn't love the Golden Girls? Also, key lime pie and cheesecake happen to be my mom's two favorite desserts. And since she's a New Yorker, she knows good cheesecake. So I'm gonna do a little taste test with her at the end. See if my cheesecake holds up. Shall we start baking? Preheat oven to 300 degrees. Lightly grease a 9-inch springform pan. Stir together the graham cracker crumbs and sugar. Add the melted butter and mix until the graham cracker crumbs are evenly coated. Graham crackers and butter, graham crackers and butter and sugar. Press the mixture into the bottom and a ½ inch or so up the size of the prepared pan. Bake the crust for 15 minutes. Remove from the oven and let cool while we prepare our filling. Whip the cream cheese, sugar, cornstarch, and lime zest together until smooth and creamy. Mixy mix, 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 mix. Add the lime/lemon juice. Mixy mix until combined. Add the eggs. Bloop. Don't overmix, it could cause your cheesecake to crack. Pour the cheesecake filling over the crust and spread evenly. Place a metal 9 by 13 inch pan on the bottom rack of the oven. Pour 2 to 3 cups of boiling water. Immediately place the cheesecake on the upper rack. Bake for around 60 minutes. See how the cheesecake is set around the edges but still has that slight jiggle in the center? Turn off the oven and prop the oven door open about 4 inches. Keep the cheesecake in the oven for 30 minutes. Remove the cheesecake from the oven and refrigerate it overnight. Good night. Good morning. Much like a cartoon, I'm wearing the same shirt. Let's check on that cheesecake, shall we? Remove the cheesecake from the springform pan. You can't have cheesecake without whipped cream. Let's make some whipped cream. Whip up 1 cup of heavy cream. Once the cream starts to stiffen, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and a tablespoon of powdered sugar. Mix until stiff peaks form. Mixy mix, 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 mix. See? Perfect! Bloop, boop, 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 boop. The cheesecake is done. Shall we cut a slice? Now it's time for the mom taste test. Mom, try it out. And it's a graham cracker crust.
Yeah, I like it. Well, I like it. It's just no New York crust.
But she likes it.
Oh, it's delicious.
Mommy likes it.
I did. And my hips liked it.
Feel free to follow me on Instagram @lucky.treats. Happy baking and Golden Girl watching and cheesecake eating.